Hi everyone, Gino here, and today we're going to do another video. This time I'm going to teach you guys on how to make your own background light, RGB fill light that will help improve the aesthetics of your YouTube studio or YouTube talking head. So let's go. This item that we're going to do, it's going to improve the overall aesthetic of your setup, or for example this YouTube studio. We're going to use this pancake light as a fill light dito sa background natin. So currently my background is just plain white and walang ilaw. There's no practical light because yung mga practical lights ko like lamps nandito sa harap ng computer and parang medyo hassle kung ililipat ko siya sa likod just to have like a practical light. So naisip ko, gagayahin ko yung ni Daniel Schiffer. So Daniel Schiffer yun yung magaling sa hand B-rolls and mga camera filmmaker tips and tricks. Sikat siya sa YouTube. Na-inspire ako dun sa isang project niya, yung pancake light, and pero yung ginawa niya is medyo malakas yung yung ginawa niya kasi ang ginawa niya is for key light. So parang main light yon. Yung sa atin yung gagawin natin is parang medyo lang siya, it's much cheaper, tapos yung output ng ilaw is not gonna be very bright like key light. So this one yung gagawin natin is a pancake DIY RGB fill light or ambient background light. So lang siya for just 300 pesos. Yun yung pinaka budget natin for this project. So sobrang mura, sobrang cheap. Kung i-convert natin yung parang yung kay Daniel Schiffer, parang I'm not sure kung parang $40 or $30, parang ganun yung nasa price session. Pero yung sa atin around lang so around $6 lang yung pinaka budget natin for this DIY project. So yun. So let's go ahead and check out the items. So items needed, number one is yung cake pan. Basically yung cake pan natin should be round, tapos medyo yung depth niya medyo at least mga, since maliit lang yung gagawin nating project, tsaka yun lang yung available na nabili ko sa parang dollar store yun or parang Japan home store. Parang 2 inches lang siya yung depth ng pan, and then yung diameter niya is 10 inches. So maliit lang siya. And yung RGB strip light natin na binili sa Shopee, ayun yung pinakamurang RGB strip light na merong AC adapter na 12 volt. So parang lang, it's an all-in-one RGB. Meron na rin siyang controller for just 200 pesos. Nabili ko siya sa Shopee. So total of 300 pesos lang tong budget natin. So for the process in making this one, ang gagawin lang natin is sa gilid ng pan, yung LED strip, iikot lang natin siya, ididikit natin siya. Since yung LED strip merong 3M sticker siya or double-sided sticker, madidikit natin siya doon sa cake pan. Iikot lang doon. So mamaya makikita nyo yun sa unboxing at yung mga item papakita ko sa next video na to. Ayan, so here's the process. So as I've mentioned earlier, so this project was inspired by Daniel Schiffer's pancake key light, so DIY key light. So ayun, so here's the RGB strip. So let's go ahead and unwrap this one. So for 200 pesos ito yung makukuha mo, isang RGB dongle, or ito, I think this is the receiver, kasi ito yung LED controller kasi meron siyang remote. So this is the receiver, and we're gonna attach this to the RGB strip, RGB receiver and controller. And here is our power cable. ito yung controllers natin. So pwede natin palitan yung background light natin using this controller, and the actual RGB strip. So I'm not sure if this is 5 meter or 3 meter. And ayun lang. And ayun lang yung laman ng 200 peso RGB strip. And lastly, itong pan. So ang gagawin natin, we're gonna unroll this one, tapos iikot lang natin yung RGB strip. I-stick lang natin siya dito sa gilid ng pan, and this will so ang mangyayari niyan, depende sa ilaw, it will parang magiging beam siya. Imbes na kalat yung ilaw mo, magiging beam siya, magre-reflect dito yung ilaw, tapos ayun, boom, mas maganda yung ilaw. Ayun, so let's go ahead and stick it to the cake pan. So ito siya, meron siyang double-sided tape. Ayan. Oops, sorry. Go ahead and focus yun. Ayan. So ayun na guys, natapos ko na yung pag-ikot sa kanya or pagdikit sa gilid nung cake pan natin, nung RGB strip. So isasaksak na natin siya. Pero in fairness dun sa controller niya, medyo gumagana yung controller niya. So ito yung controller. So ayan. So red. So red. So ayan. So ayan yung field light, ambient light. Ayan, it's red, green. So ayan, malakas yung green, no? In fairness sa green, ang ganda. And then blue. So ayan. So this is gonna be our DIY fill light. So check natin kung magiging okay siyang fill light pag nandun na sa likod. Okay? Sige. Alright, so guys, nakaset up na yung ating background ambient RGB fill light nandito sa likod ko. So customizable siya, depende sa mood mo. Pwede mong palitan yung ilaw, pwede mo siyang gawing green, kung anong blue. So it depends on your mood kung anong gusto mong gawin or anong preferred mong kulay. So customizable siya using the RGB remote control. So let's go ahead and check out other colors. So now that's cyan. So ito yung teal, I think this one is teal. This is teal, medyo light blue. I'm not sure anong color yan. Yeah, it's supposed to be pink. That's pink, and that's purple. Yellow, orange, and red, green, and blue. So meron din siya mga other options kung gusto mo. Meron siyang strobe. Ayan, so nagsa-cycle yung color sa likod mo. So yun, kung hindi ka, if you're undecided kung anong kulay yung gusto mo, you can go for strobe. We do have flash. Yan, so yung hard switch yung pagpapalit niya, and we do have fade. So medyo mas maganda yung pag-transition niya through colors yung fade compared dun sa strobe, kasi medyo mabilis yung strobe and then smooth. So, ay, parang ganun din. So, yun. So, ang isa lang yun no? So, ayan. So, let's select this one. So, di na sa isang kulay lang. So, ayan. Diyan tayo sa teal. So, yun. So, yeah. So, ang kinagandahan nitong project natin, unlike dun kay Daniel Schiffer, you actually need a light stand to pull that up. Kasi key light yung ano niya, yung purpose nung kanya So, kailangan mong nakastand yun, tapos nakatutok sa mukha mo yung ilaw. Kasi key light yun. So, since yung atin is just like a U, parang ambient U background light lang yung purpose nitong project natin ito, ilalapag mo na siya sa sahig. So, ayun na, sa sahig lang, kung malapit sa dingding para mag-bounce yung ilaw. Ayun na. So, sobrang ano siya, sobrang mura and sobrang daling gawin. Parang mga 15 minutes ko lang siya nilap around dun sa cake pan na nabili natin. So, yun. So, yung project na to, if you're gonna use just like ambient light lang, key light, ambient light or background light, sobrang go for it. So, it's sobrang sulit, mura lang, 300 pesos. Pwede nga maging 200 pesos lang yan kung meron ka ng available na cake pan sa bahay nyo na hindi ginagamit. You can use that, tapos bili ka na lang ng RGB na strip. So parang 200 pesos lang yung total na gastos mo for the project. So yun lang. So I highly recommend guys to do it if you need like a background light. Actually, other purpose ng nito, you can actually use it as a fill light then for creative works, for photography and video. So, tututok mo lang yung ilaw sa siya. Tutok mo lang yung ilaw dito sa side ng ng fill. Gusto mo fillan ng color. Red. Gusto mo ng red na fill, yan. If you want green fill dito sa mukha, you can do it as well. Blue. So you get the idea. So pwede siyang fill light. Basta meron ka lang assistant na meron magtututok sa for your creative works or creative shop. So yun lang. And that's it. So that's it. That ends the video. So DIY project, sobrang cheap, and it's highly recommended that you guys try it out, especially if the purpose is to improve your studio setup para sa YouTube or sa ganito. And so yeah, so that's it for me. Again, this is Gino, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you're still at this point, so sobrang thank you po. Subscribe na rin po tayo sa channel para mas dumami pa yung ating subscriber. So yun lang. Again, this is Gino. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.